स्ट्रीट को देख के ऐसे लग रहा है कि जैसे ये कैलगरी के अंदर फूड स्ट्रीट है। माइलस्टोन ग्रिल बार, अभी क्योंकि इतना खाने का टाइम नहीं हुआ इस वजह से रश नज़र नहीं आ रहा है यहाँ पे, लेकिन आवाज़ और साइडों पे लगी हुई जो कुर्सियाँ हैं वो बता रही हैं ये गार्डन कोई होटल है या क्या। कभी बहरहाल मेरा इरादा तो यही है कि ये जो बिल्डिंग्स हैं ऊंची ऊंची, इनके ऊपर जाके थोड़ा दोस्तों को जो है वो सैर करवाई जाए, दिखाया जाए कि कैलगरी की जो बुलंद इमारत हैं इनकी क्या खूबी है। क्योंकि एक चीज़ तो वो देखी मैंने कि एक दूसरे के साथ इनको मिला दिया गया है, और देख के इन इमारतों को देख के अंदाज़ा होता है कि ये वाकई कमाल किस्म की बिल्डिंग्स हैं जो कैलगरी शहर में पाई जाती हैं। तरफ से देखें ये भी कमाल है, इस तरफ वो टावर नज़र आ रहा है, फिर मारियोट होटल है। इस जगह पे आपको नज़र आ रहा है कि लोगों ने अपने छोटे छोटे स्टॉल से लगाए हुए हैं, फिर जैसे अपना को वो कर रहे हैं अपनी मशहूरी वर्कलूड सेंटर, फिर यहाँ पे कोई अपना बेच रहा है कुछ। ये चीज़ जो है ये क्या बन रही है? अच्छा, ये मुझे लगता है कोई नई इमारत में लीफ फिल्टर मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें हैं। इसके बिल्कुल सामने रेस्टोरेंट्स बने हुए हैं, लोग अपना बैठ के खा रहे हैं। इधर कोई रेडियो की कोई मशहूरी कर रहा है। मुझे लगता है इनको ये पूरी इजाज़त होती है कि सड़कों पे अपनी अपनी मशहूरी करने के लिए वो बैठ जाएं और लोगों तक अपना पैगाम पहुंचाएं। आप ये देखें, अब ये स्ट्रीट का मुझे एग्जैक्टली नाम का नहीं पता, लेकिन लोगों का जो इधर घूमना फिरना है उसको देख के ये अंदाज़ा हो रहा है कि ये जो लोग हैं ये किसी बाज़ार नुमा चीज़। ये देखें, ये सामने इससे भी पूछ लेते हैं। हेलो गुंटा, आप यू स्पीक इंग्लिश और यू स्पीक हिंदी? English, no Hindi.
Turkish.
You are from. So what? I was just wondering what is going on here. What kind of street is it? Is it the main street of Calgary city downtown?
Yes, it is.
How it is called?
Sorry?
How it will be called? The name?
It's Stephen
Stephen
Avenue.
Street.
Yeah.
Stephen Avenue. Okay.
Yeah.
All famous restaurants, and it is like the street of. How you can say majority of the tourists will come here to walk through.
Yeah, they will. Yeah.
Okay.
There's a lot of tourists in here,
Yeah.
and if you follow this path,
Yes.
it's pedestrian, so you will see like older kind of like buildings and all those kind
Yeah.
of stuff. It's very nice, and then there's a lot of like bars
Yeah.
with patios.
Okay.
You can sit down and have some drinks
Okay,
and those kind of stuff.
And-
And if you continue, there's
Yeah.
a market going on right now. on
Market,
this end.
okay.
So there's a lot of vendors on the street.
All right.
Yeah.
And what are you doing? I was just wondering what is. Yeah.
So we are Retro Snap Press.
Yes.
We take your photo
Yeah.
and then we put it on Wanted or like a celebrity spotted, like
Oh,
a newspaper print.
I
And then
understand.
we print it right on. the
Good
back.
idea. Good idea. How long have you been doing that?
It's been a couple months.
Couple of months.
Yeah, we just started.
And it was your own idea to do that?
So my friend in here, she saw it in Europe, but
Okay.
we were doing it, so we
Okay.
decided to bring it in here.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah.
And it's going well?
Yeah, it's going well. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. ले जी, ये देखें, ये इन्होंने छोटे छोटे ये आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं नाकों के अंदर या कानों में, वो कहते हैं जी हम पियर्सन, वो जो सुराख करके कान में या नाक में या कोई डालते हैं, और इनका ये मोबाइल इनका मेन इनका कहीं और है, तो यहाँ भी अपना ये कर रहे हैं। ओके, थैंक यू। ले जी, थैंक यू। ये देखें जी, यहाँ भी अगले ये बाज़ार के अंदर अपनी अपनी प्रोडक्ट्स बेचने के लिए यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं। ये देखें, यहाँ भी ये क्या है, डबल कॉफ़ी क्रीम लिक्विड्स। अच्छा, बहरहाल ये हमारा मतलब की चीज़ नहीं है। यहाँ कोई देखें, ये भी कोई खोल के बैठी हुई है, हाथ से बनी हुई चीज़ें हैं, प्रोडक्ट्स। हेलो, हाउ आर यू? So you are selling your handmade things.
Yeah, I
And-
did all of these.
And how long you have been doing this?
I learned how to crochet in high school, so
Yeah.
5 years, a little bit more.
Yeah. And are you satisfied with your output?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think so. This isn't my full-time job. I just do this every couple of months.
So you do it, you have to take a special permission to have a place here?
I had to pay for a space, yeah.
Yeah.
But I know they need special permits for food and drink and stuff.
But is it very expensive? Yeah, like such a place like 1 meter or 1.5 meter, is it very expensive here?
It depends. It depends on where you do. This one wasn't terribly expensive.
Okay.
Some of them, like if you've ever been to the Spruce Meadows, their Christmas markets are like crazy
okay.
expensive to get a table.
Okay.
Some of the craft markets, like the little community ones, are really affordable. So it just depends.
Okay, thank you very much for the information. Maybe someone can listen to you and come here. Okay, bye. Okay. لیں جی یہ دیکھیں اس طرح کی یہ چیزیں جو ہیں یہ آپ کو سڑک کے اوپر مل رہی ہیں کیلگری کے اندر سے. یا تو یہاں اینکیں بک رہی ہیں کیونکہ لوگوں کو جب ایک دوسرے کو دیکھ کے شوق چڑھتا ہے کہ یہ اینک جو ہے یہ گرمی سے بچائے گی, دھوپ سے بچائے گی. پھر یہاں دیکھیں یہ بھی, اور یہ صابن بیچ رہی ہے, یہ بھی بڑی حیران کن بات ہے. کپ رکھے ہوئے اس میں ہینڈ میڈ ہوں گے اور یہ دیکھ لیں. اور پھر اس کے اگے لو جی اگے لگتا ہے کہ ساڈے سردار بھی آ گئے نے. یہ بھی کچھ اتنے لا کے بیٹھے نے کہ چھوٹے چھوٹے مجھے لگتا ہے بچیاں دا دکھا رہے ہیں جی کیویں کام کرے گا. بہرحال یہ اونج ہی ہے گین نیم کلکرز کسٹم. چلیں جی اگے چلیے. یہ دیکھیں مختلف پھر اگے چل رہے ہیں. یہ دیکھو انہوں نے لکڑی دیا بڑیاں چیزاں مختلف جڑیاں نے دے $20 دا ایک پرائز ایک چیز. یہ دیکھو یہ بھی اس طرح ہی کہ اپنی اپنی روزی کمان واسطے محنت دے نال ہاتھ دے نال محنت کر کے وہ کمان واسطے. ہلو ہاؤ آر یو؟ سو یو آر یو میکنگ اٹ بائی یور سیلف آر یو؟
I paint them.
Yeah, you print that?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. How long have you been doing that?
I've been painting for over 40 years.
40 years?
And I just started painting on wood slices about 3 years ago.
Okay, so it's your passion.
Yes.
Well, but everyone has some special quality from God. God gifted, and you are satisfied with your work? It's going very well. Are you satisfied with your work here? So people are coming a lot?
Oh, yeah,
Which
yeah.
day it's much better?
Well, downtown Calgary is a little different than what I usually do.
Yeah.
I usually go into like the more countryside, like
Yeah.
the foothills.
Yeah.
And I do a little better, I think, in the foothills.
Yeah.
Down here. Yeah.
But is it the place like that is it? Oh, very interesting. لیں جی بات کرتے کرتے ادھر سے یہ دیکھیں راؤنڈ آ گیا گھوڑوں کا پولیس کنٹرول. ویری نائس. دے آر کمنگ ویری آفن.
The police, that's the first time I've seen them.
You have
today.
seen really? But they always take
They're
around
always in Calgary somewhere.
with horses.
Yeah, with the horses. Yeah, they're somewhere in Calgary
Oh,
all the time, but
okay.
it's the first time I've seen
Somewhere.
them today.
Okay, thank you. And I was asking you, parts like that, you buy first this,
These are from, a lot of this is from my own trees.
your own trees from home?
Yes.
Really?
I
And you
slice
cut them?
Yes.
With-
With the
that-
chainsaw.
Okay,
And then I dry them.
okay.
And then I seal them, so that they don't crack.
Mhm.
And then I paint them, and then I coat them with an epoxy resin.
Very interesting. That's very interesting. And for the place like that, is it very expensive to get the place here?
For the booth fees?
Yes.
It's not that bad.
Not bad.
No.
Yeah.
Some places are more, some places are less.
So you are doing just as a hobby for passing your time?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. لیں جی چلتے ہیں آگے چلتے چلتے جو چیز ہم دیکھ رہے ہیں کیلگری کے اندر. یا اب یہ دیکھیں انہوں نے ایک مجسمہ رکھا ہوا ہے, پتہ نہیں کیوں رکھا ہوا ہے, جن سے پوچھ بھی لیتے ہیں کہ کیوں رکھا ہوا ہے. ہلو ہاؤ آر یو؟ سو آئی واز جسٹ لوکنگ دس اینڈ آئی دا بکس. سو I will like to ask you, what is your object? What are you doing? Just selling books or what?
Yeah, so I mean, I do sell books.
Yes.
But I actually sell a lot of services as well.
Okay.
So I do a lot of work around, I'm a licensed investigator.
Okay.
So I do some, private type investigating.
Okay.
Workplace investigations.
Okay.
I do some specialized, more advisory services, like with lawyers and people like that.
But your main object is here to introduce yourself for the people what you do.
Right.
That is the main
The
object.
books are
Yeah.
like they're They
Yeah.
are what they are, right?
Okay.
I'm interested in selling services more
Yeah.
than anything, so I
Yeah.
do a lot of special events.
Yes.
I do a lot of corporate workshops.
Oh,
I do
okay.
that kind of thing.
Yes.
And but yeah, I mean the books are a nice aside.
Oh yeah, that's right. But what was the purpose of putting that?
Well,
Yeah.
so this first book. So I'm a former homicide detective.
Okay, okay.
So I investigated murders for 15
Oh,
years.
okay.
And in the city, and I was a police officer here for 25.
Okay,
So my first book was called Skeletons in My Closet.
okay.
101 Life Lessons from a Homicide Detective.
Mhm.
So the skeleton kind of matches the title of the book.
Okay, I understand now.
Skeletons in the Closet.
Okay.
And then the second book is called
Yeah.
Undaunted,
Yeah.
and it's the story of like, it's really the story of courage, but the things that made people like exceptional in
Yes.
my eye
Yes.
that I met in my career.
Yeah.
So whether it was a family that was overcoming a serious trauma, or a woman that is escaping some sort of domestic abuse,
Understand.
these are stories in here about those exceptional people.
Yeah.
And so I think they're modern warriors,
Uh-huh.
and that's why it's the spark and
Okay.
that kind of thing, you see.
I understand.
But yeah, like the main
Yeah.
thing that I'm trying to
Yeah,
sell
I can
are
understand.
my services here.
Uh-huh. This is. And how long have you been trying here? How long have you been here?
This is my second time.
Second time. So, okay. That's my first time that I am here in Calgary, and I was just passing my time.
Oh,
I
I
thought,
see.
okay, I make a round on the street,
Yeah.
and I talk to the people.
Yeah.
That's my hobby.
Oh, very good.
Okay. Thank you
Yeah.
very much
No, my
for
pleasure.
conversation.
Yeah.
Maybe we will see next time in Frankfurt, Germany.
Oh,
I'm from Frankfurt.
Germany.
Okay.
So I understand this is quite common in Europe, is to see the markets and stuff
Yeah.
like that. Is that right?
That's right.
Well,
That's right.
welcome to Calgary.
थैंक यू वेरी मच बाय भाई जी अब चलते हैं आगे ये ऐसे इधर भी कुछ ना कुछ होममेड चीज़ें ये लकड़ी की रखी हुई हैं फिर यहाँ भी कुछ चीज़ें नज़र आ रही हैं ब्लेम मेरा ख्याल सब लोग अपने आप को जो ना इंट्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं अब